So here she is, all buttoned up. The ADD Phantom front bar from Off-Road Industries. We're running the fuel 20-inch wheels. Got 35x12 Toyo tyres on it. It does have the 25mm lift on the front strut as well. Running the DSR high mount intercooler kit. Looking pretty tough now. Drives fantastic with these tyres actually. No real downsides. Noise is pretty good. Love the look of it. DSR graphics down the side. Really cool setup. This one's running high 300 wheel kilowatts. Custom fuel system. Large injectors. High pressure pump. All the bolt-on goodies that you'd expect from a shop car. If you want us to build something like this, hit us up, dsrperformance.com.